How'd you get in my house? How'd you get in my house? How'd you get in my house, Lexi? How'd you? I mean, Tricks. Wait. Wait. Who are you? Who are you? Trixie. Trixie, is that you? Oh my gosh, you changed so much. I mean, I did too. I mean, oh wait, I'm putting on. I have my pajamas on. Oops. I'm just figuring out what I'm doing. Okay, so we got new cars yesterday, didn't we? Sorry. We got new cars yesterday, didn't we? So okay, so let's take a key. One key. Okay. I got a key. And let's get in our car. No, I don't care. Can I get in? Oh, okay, here. Okay, I'm in. OMG, what? I don't get. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Oh my G. What? Let me see. What? That's not fair. Hey, wait for me. I'm trying to get the hang of this. I need to get the hang of this. And drive. I don't even care at this point. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. Hey. Okay. I put in my key. Where are you? Woo! Faster. Okay. I don't want to go too fast because then I'm breaking the rules of Dalville. I mean Chester City. I don't know how this is a city. I mean, the only thing they did was expand. Wait. Girl. I parked my car and like, oh my gosh. I can't control my car. Oh, meme G. Okay. They added a hospital. Did you know that? Hey, wait for me. Okay, so it looks like you're parked here. I parked over there, and it's right from me. Okay, let's go in. Oh, cool. What's this? Oh, me God. There's so much blood. Why is there blood? Ew, that's gross. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, this is gross. Okay, I'm gonna go to school because we have school today. And I put everything in like my house, so it's, yeah. So let's go to school. Come on, girl. I don't want to run in my. Go. And I'll park right here. Okay, I'm here. Don't run. Okay, let's go. Let's go show off our new outfits. If we like dyed our hair and I changed outfits like for like this 50 time. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Oh right, we moved up our class, and you didn't take. Why is your sign saying Nandari 1? Don't know why. I didn't say that. I didn't put that up. Okay, whatever. Here we go. Oops. Let's see. I didn't bring my textbooks today. Oops, I didn't bring my textbooks. Hey, this is over here. Move. That is Senpai's locker. Yeah, this is Senpai's locker. This is Senpai's locker. This is your locker right here. That's Jacob's. This is your locker. You are lost on the first, on like only the third day. You're lost, and it's like in the middle of the year.
I have nothing.
You know what? I'm skipping school. Wait. Oh my gosh. Today is a Sunday.
I'm hungry.
Today's a Saturday. Did you know that?
I'm hungry.
Aren't you gonna take your car?
I'm hungry.
You're not taking your car?
I'm hungry.
No, don't go. You could have drove your car and been less hungry. But no, you decided to be dumb and go there. Oh my gosh, we are not making videos anymore. We are not making videos anymore, Rosa. I mean, Trixie. That's it, Trixie. We're not playing anymore. We're not playing any Minecraft together anymore. You could have drove you in your car and get less hungry, but no, you decided to run. It's all the way at school. You forgot it, or AKA you left it. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad right now. A fish. I got a fish. That's it. I'm not even hungry. Oh my gosh, this is sucks. This just sucks. Can you go?
Oh my god, actually.
Go away. Excuse me?
I can't punch you. I punch you outside with it.
Whatever, you're rude.
I have to tail.
I'm putting my thing.
Tail.
I don't know. Good night. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired. Just not even night yet, so I'm not gonna put my PJs on. So good night, Trixie.
Good night.